Hello and welcome to Child Care Sears online teacher training series. This video will be part 1 of how to use your classroom device or teacher tablet. Part 2 will also be available for you to learn how to create any entries pertaining to children on the classroom device. In this video, we are going to cover what your main display looks like and the features on it, and then how to create entries pertaining to the class as a whole on your classroom device. So let's get started. In the upper left-hand corner, you have your classroom name, the current date, and time. In the right-hand corner, you have the teacher avatars for those teachers checked into the classroom. If the teacher is illuminated in blue, that means any entry made will be tagged with her name stating that she created that entry. To change teachers, just simply toggle and tap on the different avatars. Your current ratio is always displayed, as well as any messages that may need a reply will be displayed here. And we'll talk more about messaging in just a moment. Your teachers checked in are also here, and the children that are checked into the classroom are here. If you need to view a child's profile for any reason, or start a classroom timer for, let's say, diaper changes or bottles, you can do so right by clicking on the child's picture, and those options become available to you. You have your help button in the lower left-hand corner, which will get you right over to our customer success team. You can type a message, hit send, and one of them will reach back out to you, most likely by a phone call to your center. You have your live status, which is always displayed. You have your upcoming, which is for your children and staff that are coming into your classroom, and also indicating what time they are leaving for the day. You can turn the group by type off, which will have them all in one list, or if you prefer, like I do, to have them separated out, just keep that blue button on. Now, messaging. Staff need to have the permission set by their director in order to message families on the classroom tablet. If you do not have messaging permissions, you will see a pink box that says you do not have permission to message the families and to see your center manager. When you are able to send messages, once you click that, a typed in dialog box will pop up here, and you'll be able to send the message to families. You can select specific children to send that message, and in this list are all children that are assigned to your classroom. So if it is a day that, let's say, Jacob is not attending, he will still be included in the message, and that is particularly good for reminders about classroom parties, show and share, or any donations needed for your room. Notebook is just that. It is a secure, safe place to leave notes for co-teachers or any other teachers that may be working in your room. This is especially useful when it comes time to communicating with families, or when a family member has communicated a message to you that you feel needs to be shared with other staff members. And then you have the entries log, which is anything that you put in for a child will be displayed here once that is created. Now let's go to our live status. We can see we don't have any new messages. Our ratio is still good. So let's go to create. And in this video, like I said in the beginning, we are focusing on this upper section directly related to class. Now let's go to join staff. And here you can join teachers who can come maybe give a potty break, or step in for you for any other reason, maybe a lunch break. So we are going to join Miss Samantha. We're going to hit cancel, cancel again, and you will see Samantha has popped up into your staff list, and she is also up here able to log information if need be. You can do the same with children. So here's Jacob. He's here waiting to come in. So we are going to join Jacob to our rooms. Now we have 3 teachers and 3 children, which would be a great ratio for anybody on a regular day. We're going to focus on name to face now. So name to face is an extra security feature for teachers. to ensure that they have all children in the event of transitioning from classroom to playground. It can also be a great tool for fire drills or emergency evacuation procedures to ensure that you have not left any children behind. So we are going to click on all three of our friends here. We're going to hit continue. We're going to see the time, the 3 children that we have seen, and we can see here that we're not missing anybody, and we're going to hit save. Now let's go create one where we are missing a child so you can see what that looks like. So we are only going to click on 2 children. We're going to hit continue. Right here it shows that we're missing one. We're going to hit save anyways. And now this bright pink box shows up on the top of our screen. Your director will also have this pink box on their screen if you have a missing child in any classroom in your center. To resolve this, you can go here. We'll put that this child is with the director, and we'll hit resolve, and now that pink banner is gone. Easy peasy, right? You can also move children to different classrooms. So let's just move Jacob, hit continue. We're going to move him to pre-K, and now he is out of your room. Very easy. Other teachers can do the same for you. You can merge classrooms, and this is usually set up or predetermined by your director. You can start nap time, you can start a meal, and you can start a playground time. So let's start a playground time. 12:32, playground time has started. Now let's fast forward. And end that playground time. But wait, we don't really want to do that yet because we just went outside. So let's hit cancel. Cancel again, and you can see that the playground shows up at the events on your main screen. So if you happen to forget to end this playground time, you can just go to create, end playground, and now it is off of your main screen. Well, this concludes part 1 of your teacher tablet training. Please join us for part 2, where we will go over everything related to children entries. Thank you so much for being part of the SEER family, and we will see you in video number 2.